Alright, got the door up here for the 5th time, guys, and I tell you what, I fixed the gaps in it. I actually moved this pillar, this bracket here on the bottom. I actually moved it over just a tad, and now you can see there's a, about a paint stick gap in between it all the way up. Once you close the door and everything, all around, that gap is good, and I can still adjust it a little bit, but I mean, even lines up here perfectly. I just got a little bit of gap down here at the bottom, and I don't even have that tack weld. I can actually move that over just a tad, and I think that's what I'll do. So everything's looking good. Everything's lining up like it's supposed to. All right, guys, so she's ready to go in. I'm gonna go ahead and weld her up, take the door back off, and weld her up, and then put the door back on. Alright, so guys, I am pretty much done with this side of the door. Let me cut this air compressor off. We got old Momo the shop dog. He's doing what he does best, relaxing. He ain't supervising today. He said he got too much going on. Anyway, guys, this is done basically right over here on this side. Besides just doing the body work to it, but it's in there. I actually went on ahead and finished that bottom corner there. I go back through though, like I said, I'll go back through, guys, and if I see any pinholes, I put, tack it back up and grind it down. But I grind down my welds. That's basically what I'm doing, just getting everything in there. This is where my lead will go, up through here. Alright, so she is in there, man. The door fits perfect. I couldn't have been more happy than what I got accomplished today as far as the door. Fitting that door in there. Man, I'm so happy about that. Everything's looking really good, guys. Yeah, looking really good. So I'm gonna wrap it up for today. I think we got a lot of stuff done. All right, crew, so let's go ahead and step outside. So dark inside there. Got some really bad lighting. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for the video today. I really wanted to make this a very short video. It was a lot of welding, and I guess I can really do without showing you guys a lot of these videos, but I just want you guys to see, man, that I touch every part of this truck, and I do it myself inside the small 2-bay garage. And I just want you guys know you guys can do the same thing as well. It just takes a little bit of time and dedication. So I'm having fun and stuff, and for whatever reason, I just love to show you guys my process and my journey of building this 55 shop truck and stuff, and I want you guys to be a part of it. So that's why I show you guys a lot of welding, a lot of little tedious things. I may not have nothing going on today. I probably wasn't even going to record that today. But you know what? It's like, if I'm in the garage, I feel like you guys are actually with me as well. All my subscribers and stuff, you guys leave great comments. And that's why I make these videos. But it was a short video, and I hope I didn't bore you guys too much. But hey, that's what we do on this channel and stuff. I bring you guys along for the ride with me and stuff, and we do it together. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. The next video should be a little bit more exciting, guys. We're going to be tearing down these old rusty doors, man, and I did order some parts for these doors. I can't remember all the parts that I ordered, but hopefully that'll be in here this week. As soon as those parts come in, we'll get right to it, guys. We'll start welding them up and stuff and tearing them down, and then we'll start, you know, basically just doing a little bit of body work to them. So anyway, guys, hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and also if you really like them, don't forget to subscribe, man. Subscribe to my channel, support me, help me out and stuff, and I'll continue to put out great product, guys. So anyway, like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I definitely catch you guys on the next video.